Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why I went into the practice of law, why I studied law, and why I do what I do as a lawyer. So, my name is Kemi Adefarakan. For those who don't know me, I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm an author. I'm also a lawyer here in Ontario, and I help women protect what matters most to them, their families, their businesses, and their brands. Because I believe that God has not just given you that business idea for you to start it, but for you to also steward it. And one of the ways you can steward it is to protect it. So I'm passionate about helping you do just that. And so, why I studied law? Well, back there years ago, I wasn't really good in math. And so the only other thing I could do was law. Because back then, if you're not good in law, if you're not good in math, sorry, you just go and study law. And so at that time, and again, at that time, my sister was already in university studying law, and my dad is also a lawyer as well. So I remember that my sister would come home from her law of contract class. I remember this very well. She'd come home from her law of contracts class, and she would tell me stories, so many stories. And I always felt bad for those people who were taking advantage of it. And I was like, you know what, when I become a lawyer, I'm just going to help people so they're not going to find themselves in that kind of situation. And true enough, when I finished law school and I started my practice, I started with contracts. And I was always helping. Now, one of the things I did was always helping women when it comes to starting their businesses and protecting their business ideas. And so after doing that for a while, I kind of stumbled into the area of wills and estate planning. This wasn't something I was planning. I wasn't planning on going into this area for a while, but anyways, I found myself in there. That's a story for another day. And after doing this for a while, I realized that for me, not just about drafting wills and powers of attorney and things like that. For me, it's just about helping, has gone beyond that, about helping women live LIVE and live LEAVE with intention. So it's not just about drafting it and all that. It's about the families that I get to help, the people that I get to see that, you know what? This is just peace of mind for them, knowing that everything has been taken care of. And so for me, it's not just drafting it and say, okay, I've drafted, these are just tools, but just knowing that I've helped a family, knowing that, things have been taken care of, it's just so special to me. And even beyond that, I just love law. I just love helping people and just making sure that helping them make sure that things are really taken care of. So, anyways, this is my channel, and I'm just going to be talking about wills, estate planning, contracts, and trademarks. And if this is something that you're really interested in, protecting your business and your brands and your families and things like that, then do subscribe. I would love for you to subscribe. So, till next time, then, take care of yourself and take care of yourself. Bye.